Hi guys, today we are playing Build a Boat Winter Boss Fight. I'm here with my friend. So guys, let's start. To start the fight, first I'm just gonna get out of this house which I was climbing on. So guys, as you can see that the ground between there, if you go there, the boss fight will start. So my friend is there, and you see those three little huts over there. They are my life. If I die three times, the game will over. And because here I am working with my friend, so if he also dies, we both will lose our life. So guys, now we have to kill these guys. These are pretty easy to kill because they are like just one shot, two shots things that we can just hit off. But this game is like not even like a build a boat. And we are now on wave 2, so we are gonna get some of these guys over here. We are having now like these, and there's also one more other cook gingerbread who is like more powerful than these. So guys, let's see where the gingerbread is. So, and if you notice, if you kill one of them, any one of them, you will get one gold. So we have to just see, this is the gingerbread guys. So this one is hard, so you can just go under the tree, because if you're under the tree they can't hit you. I am only talking about gingerbread because of the small soldiers just can get off this tree and can kill you. But for hiding the gingerbread, it is a nice place. So guys, we are having lots of gingerbreads. You see that purple one? Those gingerbreads are a little bit more aggressive and powerful. So guys, we are just going to we are gonna kill him off. He's like climbing on a tree. Guys, remember, if you're up on the tree, sometimes they just climb on the tree, so that's a little bit scary. Now we are gonna do this. Oh, they both were alive and after me. So I'm just gonna go back and take salt and start hitting them. My friend is also helping me by killing the other gingerbreads. I'm just killing some of them and all the aggressive ones. So if we do this, we are gonna go to wave 4. Wave 4, we are gonna have some different type of soldiers, tiny soldiers that run super fast. So but I think guys, the wave hasn't started. I think one of the gingerbreads are still alive, so we have to just find out where. So I'm just gonna go up to the house to get a better view. Oh no, what happened? Like this should be the way for, like we have to do something about it. So guys, I don't care that much. So guys, we are gonna do and kill all of them fast. So we are just gonna go and call my friend about this, because the waves are getting tougher and tougher guys. Because the waves are getting tougher, we need to be sure that we don't get killed. Guys, one of the most dangerous wave are wave 5 and wave 6. So guys, we are now on wave 4. We are gonna have to, I'm just messaging my friend to come over here. So it's now in wave 4. We are gonna have shooters. The shooters just shoot at us. I hate these shooters guys. I'm very mad. I'm just gonna go and run towards them and kill them. I hate them. Oh, my friend already killed them. Cause I even see a shooter, I just wanna kill it. I hate them. They have killed me very much time and before boss battles. So we are still not having the boss. Before having the boss battle, we have to go through 6 waves guys. So I'm now gonna wait, and we are having these waves around here. These are pretty easy. If they get after one of us, they will never get after the other. They're just gonna be after the one. So guys, I'm just calling my friend here. Oh I know guys, these green gingerbreads are very dangerous. These green gingerbreads are very dangerous. If you don't know, as you can see, my friend is having a candy on his back. These just throw candy at us. And if you wanna be safe guys, mostly the house get up on a roof of the house, guys. This is the best place to fight. So I'm just gonna try kill all of them. Okay guys, I think we have killed like the most typical ones, those who are very difficult to kill. Oh no, there was one after just us, and he was trying to shoot us from there, but all of his candies are getting stuck on the below of the roof. So guys, I think we are winning pretty much, and our no lives are gone, and we are having freely there. So wave 6 is here, guys. We are gonna be having 3 shooters. Oh, I think my friend is having like a network connection error, cause that's why he left. Okay guys, wave 6 is very dangerous. There are some shooters that just shot us, and we are having gingerbreads too. So guys, this is very tough. As you can see, they are just firing gingerbread. The gingerbreads are firing the candy sticks through us. So I'm just gonna try kill them from here. The sticks are not reaching me, so I'm just gonna kill them from over here. Okay, it worked out. So as I'm like doing pretty well now, because I haven't been losing life and just attacking them. So I'm doing pretty well, I think. So guys, as I want to just tell you, like after wave 6 we are gonna have a boss fight. Okay, we are having some tiny little soldiers and a shooter and this aggressive purple cookie which I am now under a tree. I can kill it easily. Oh. Okay, we are on the boss fight. This is the boss fight, guys. I'm just gonna need to be ready. Boss, guys, I'm just gonna give you a thing. I'm just gonna give you a tip. Guys, remember, you just jump always. Always jump. Because when on your scheme it is written jump and you not jump, you will lose pretty much health. Okay, that's why guys I'm always jumping. So I'm gonna get up on this tree to start this boss. This is a pretty good spot. I'm like, as you can see, I'm continuously holding my jump button, so I'm always jumping and I'm not getting anything. Like when it will be written on my screen jump, so I don't have to jump. As you can see, if you don't like jumping, you have to just jump when this boss jump, or else you will lose pretty much health. So guys, we are doing pretty much well. If you don't know, I just want to tell you, if this boss is now gonna call like his minions. As you can see, those minions have a spawn. They are just gonna try to kill me off, guys. So I have to be very much aware of it. So guys, I am now launching full snowballs on him so that I kill him fast, because he's getting very dangerous. I'm like just continuously jumping so I don't lose any health, because health is very important, guys. So I'm just jumping. Oh no, who is here? Oh no, just as I told you, if you not doing the cookies can jump, come on above the tree. As I told you, the cookies are above the tree and trying to kill me. So guys, I have to just run. I think I'm pretty much on low health. I'm gonna try to go up on the other tree to kill the boss, because as you can see there are so many minions over there. So I'm just gonna get rid of this aggressive cookies, which is aggressive gingerbread, anything like you can call it. Okay, I was not jumping that time, so I lose health. So I have to now jump pretty much always. Okay, we are jumping continuously. Now I'm just gonna throw snowballs at him again. Now he's gonna go and get hurt again and again. So we are just throwing all the snowballs at him. Oh no, no, our health is like, we are gonna be dead now. Anytime we are gonna be dead. But as I'm not pretty much worried about that, because I'm having 3 lives left, so I can easily do this and I can defeat this winter boss. And if you don't know, you can do this fight how much times you want. So we are just gonna go above here and again start shooting him down. I'm not letting you win, boss. So guys, I'm just gonna go again and again and kill him. So guys, I'm just gonna go and like throw snowballs at him so he get kills fast. Guys, as you have seen, I haven't used any of my hearts yet. Oh no guys, he has again called his minions. This was just checking that behind me there is no cookies because the cookies just climb and I hate that. Why am I getting hurt? Oh MG, the boss is going to die. He's only a few shots left. Okay, I defeated the boss with 3 hearts left. As you can see, he's going to be of stone. And cause he is dead. See? But why am I getting hurt? What was happening? Okay guys, these are the shooters, I hate them. And they killed me. So I think I have to kill all of them too. Oh, I have won it. I got all those prizes. I was unable to see all the prizes because I died. So guys, but I think I have won this. And all of this is over. But guys, don't worry, the quest is pretty much repeatable. So guys, we are not going to do it now. We have just completed it. So I'm just gonna let it go there. I'm just gonna go check this chest. Okay, I think it's not opening. So guys, I have got all those gifts. So I'm just gonna go return to build a boat. So we are just going back to build a boat. So guys, as you see, we have defeated the boss right now. I'm gonna go and show you all the items which we found here. So we are back in server and I am on the white team. So guys, I'm just gonna show you all the items that we have got. You see this quest? I'm just not gonna go there now. So guys, I think let me check where the things are. So okay, here are the gifts. Guys, I just wanted to tell you that the triangle gift you don't get. Actually, you can buy this from shop. So guys, I think you can open this only at Christmas Day. You're gonna get those green and red gifts. We have got, you can buy the triangle at like, you can do all of that by triangle gifts. So guys, actually you're only gonna get red and green gifts. So here's the, you can see, you can buy these triangle gifts for gold, as you see. And here's the winter one. This is only available for winter, so I think you guys should buy it out and check it. Okay, we have got some gifts too. That's pretty nice, guys. We have got one harpoon. So guys, I think this is a pretty good chest that you all should buy. So guys, these blocks, as you can see, are color changing. I think this is also pretty good. So guys, I hope you like this video. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please turn on the like button.